Right now we are going to the old family farm. Right now is the October Halloween season, so they have a lot of pumpkin. Crowded today. Gift store. Pumpkin picture. Yay! You guys want to take a picture? They have a little store selling popcorn. Popcorn. It's a playground for kids. Chicken show. Look guys, they have chicken show. Cookie. Wow, a lot of people. Pretty nice day today. Only 60 degrees, 65. Smoky shade. A lot of pumpkin. Look at all this pumpkin. All different kind. You can buy them too. Chicken show.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Ooh, happy birthday. Ooh, it's your special day. And this is why we got to say happy birthday. Ooh, happy birthday.
Yeah, Alex is riding the horse. Hi, Alex. Hi. Hi, Alex. Hi. That's a tractor. Two tractors.
A big one and a small one.
Yeah.
Ở bên kia, qua phía bên kia nó có cái hồ với mấy cái tent camp.
Look, they have some goat too over there. Picture time. I love fall. Come on. Bonjour. Let's go see the animal. What we got here? Goat? Goat, goat, goat. Oh, look at this one. This one pretty goat. Look, pretty goat.
có sừng. You gotta chew it.
Hey, look like they have some little pig. Little piggy.
Yeah.
Dang, Andy. Dang, Linux.
Yeah.
Look like they have some kind of shooting range. Yeah, look at that. Pretty cool. Cornfield.
The next,
We
why you
on the
I
tractor.
can see the view.
Oh, I get it.
Dạ, do nó quay lại chụp phụ à.
Are we lost?
It's called a maze for nothing.
I don't see no coin.
Exactly, there's no corn. This is leaves. They're liars. There's no corn, mate.
I see flour and stuff, but no, not coin.
Weed, probably.
Hell, we lost. Which way?
This way, this way, this way, this way. This way.
Follow Linux.
I'm smarter.
Uh-oh.
I just want to get a
Yo, there's two ways out.
Linux,
The exit's over there, so this way.
where are we?
I don't know. Guys, jump in this way. Hold up, wait a minute.
We lost.
No, we're not. Relax.
You funny go.
This not good. How are we gonna get out of here? There, I see the barn right there.
Wait, this is the person trying to look me up. This is
Follow.
where we came from?
Yes,
That's
finally.
where we came from. Where's the exit?
finally we know where we're at. Pony ride. Okay, that's it for today. Heading home. See you next time.